What happens to your relationship when you fix erectile dysfunction after 50? Shocking fact. Over 50% of men above the age of 50 silently suffer from erectile dysfunction, ED. Most never discuss it, not even with their partners. That silence often erodes relationships from the inside out. Before we begin, if you're ready to reclaim your health, reignite your confidence, and restore intimacy, smash that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for brutally honest conversations about men's health. And drop a comment below. We're building a safe space for real talk. The truth nobody talks about. Here's a twist. What if erectile dysfunction wasn't the end, but the start of something better? Let's be real, ED isn't just about sex. It's a wake-up call about your cardiovascular health, hormone levels, emotional well-being, and even your relationship dynamics. It's the body's cry for attention, a flashing signal that something needs to change. Too many men over 50 give up on their sex lives, assuming aging equals decline. That is absolutely false. In fact, many men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s experience better sex after confronting and treating ED. This isn't a superficial pop-a-pill conversation. We're diving into the physical, psychological, and emotional layers, how it affects you, your partner, and the future you're building together. Hit like if you agree it's time men talk openly about sexual health. Comment below if you or someone you care about has ever struggled silently. The physical side, what's really going on? Did you know ED can show up 3 to 5 years before signs of a heart attack? That's right, it's a window into your circulatory system, inside the body. 1. Blood flow restriction. Erections depend on healthy arteries. As we age, arteries harden from cholesterol buildup, high blood pressure, and sedentary lifestyle. Diabetes worsens this by damaging nerves and vessels. 2. Testosterone decline. By age 50, your T levels could be down 20 to 25% from your peak in your 20s. Low testosterone affects libido, energy, and sexual confidence. 3. Pelvic floor. Atrophy. These muscles help control blood flow and stiffness during sex. But without regular engagement, they weaken like any other muscle group. 4. Poor sleep. Restless nights, especially from sleep apnea or chronic stress, reduce testosterone production and interrupt libido-regulating hormones. What you can do about it. Cardio 30 minutes per day improves endothelial function and circulation. Even brisk walking can reduce ED risk by over 40%. Kegel exercises strengthens pelvic muscles, improves control, and increases firmness. Foods that boost nitric oxide. Beets, dark leafy greens, garlic, and dark chocolate dilate blood vessels naturally. Ditch processed oils and sugar. These inflame blood vessels and destroy performance. Like this video if you've learned one new thing already. Comment if you've tried any of these lifestyle upgrades. The mind-body link. Stress is the invisible killer. Wild fact, one anxious thought can constrict your blood vessels and destroy your erection within 90 seconds. The hidden battle. Performance anxiety. Once you've failed once, fear sets in. That fear amplifies stress hormones, making failure more likely. Partner miscommunication. Many women interpret ED as rejection. They think you're no longer attracted to them, triggering shame and resentment. Silent suffering. Men often feel broken, withdrawing emotionally and physically. That isolation only deepens the problem. Mental shifts that help. Mindfulness techniques. Practices like box breathing, lower cortisol, and calm the nervous system. Visualization. Athletes do it, and it works in the bedroom too. Mentally rehearsing success increases performance confidence. Open dialogue. Being vulnerable doesn't weaken you, it strengthens trust. Share your fears and intentions. Have you ever let stress ruin intimacy? Comment your experience below. Like and subscribe if you want more insights on the emotional side of sex. Medical options and holistic approaches. Fact: meds don't create desire. They amplify arousal that's already there. They're not automatic switches. Modern medicine options, PDE5 inhibitors, Viagra, Cialis, improve blood flow. Best used with emotional connection. Avoid if on nitrates. Shockwave therapy promotes angiogenesis, new blood vessels. Used in clinics, gaining popularity. Testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, for clinically low levels, can reignite energy, motivation, and libido, but must be monitored carefully. Natural alternatives, L-arginine and citrulline. These amino acids enhance nitric oxide production. Acupuncture, shown in studies to help men with stress-based ED. Red light therapy improves cellular energy in penile tissue. Always consult a urologist or hormone specialist before starting treatment. Like this, if you believe men deserve access to all options, not just pills. Relationship transformation, real stories. Meet John, 63. He hadn't had sex with his wife in nearly 4 years. Not because he didn't love her, but because ED made him feel ashamed and powerless. One night after watching a video like this, he took a deep breath and told her the truth. She listened. They cried. Then they acted together. John switched to a clean, anti-inflammatory diet. He started walking every morning. He added pelvic floor workouts, got his testosterone tested. It was clinically low. He started safe, guided TRT. 3 months later, John said, "I feel like I'm 35 again, but wiser and more grateful." Comment if this story moved you, or share your own healing journey. Like to spread real hope, not fantasy quick fixes. Fixing AD fixes your relationship. Sexual health affects emotional health. ED can create resentment. Both partners feel rejected, misunderstood, distance, intimacy declines. So does communication. Mistrust. In the absence of explanation, the mind fills in blanks, usually the wrong way. But once you confront the issue, magic can happen. Closeness restored. Vulnerability deepens emotional connection. New intimacy. Many couples report better sex than in their 20s because there's now honesty and appreciation. Mutual growth. Tackling ED together often sparks lifestyle upgrades for both people. ED treatment isn't just about erections. It's about restoring the flow of love, confidence, and joy between you and your partner. Why this matters more than ever? Final fact, 70% of men who treat ED report stronger relationships and improved self-esteem. Ignoring ED isn't just dangerous, it's unnecessary. With today's knowledge and technology, you don't have to suffer silently. Sex isn't just physical, it's about feeling seen, wanted, and alive. Fixing ED can be the catalyst for a complete health transformation. Better sleep, more energy, deeper emotional connection. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about owning your power at any age. Conclusion, your turn to act quick. Takeaways, ED after 50 is common, but not irreversible. It reflects blood flow, hormone balance, emotional wellness. Fixing it can spark a new era of love, intimacy, and vitality. There are natural, medical, and emotional tools available to you. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are powerful. Before you leave, like this video if it spoke to you. Share with someone who's struggling quietly. Subscribe for bold, science-backed men's health content. Comment your story or ask your question. We answer everything. This is your moment. You deserve joy, love, and full-body confidence at any stage of life. Reclaim your power, reignite your relationship, and rise stronger than ever.